God is sending his sounds in 4 main categories: revelation, apocalypse, disclosure, spiritual insight into his plans and purposes, knowledge, gnosis, the science. Somebody says, why science? Well, science is when you have an organized body of information that has been tested. So look at the interesting thing about God's sound. It is spiritual revelation, but it's tested and systematic. Spiritual does not mean jagbajanti. Spiritual does not mean it cannot be tested. Don't come and tell me you have revelation and you get jittery when I want to put the integrity test through it. God is speaking in apocalypse. God is also speaking in gnosis.